what's going on, everybody? Right now we're on our way to go get my gauge pods from Tegiwa. I had them stored away. I had it stored away for a while. I didn't want it to get messed up. Today's actually the first day I drive my car since I put my center console in, so that's honestly another reason why I took this car. And it's great to drive. It's a nice day. It's been raining all these days. But anyways, I just got my AEM air-fuel ratio gauge today. My car didn't pass inspection, which is honestly the only reason why I decided to also end up getting it. And I figured instead of paying so much money for the primary O2 sensor, why not just get a gauge with a wideband and just try to get it to work. Hopefully this works and this video helps other people out, because it's not worth paying all that money for an O2 sensor that's just a regular O2 sensor. Alright guys, so here's the gauge pod from Tegiwa. So far I got the air fuel ratio. I'm gonna end up putting a clock there and oil pressure gauge. I don't need the voltage up here because I have a little USB port that tells me my voltage. I already have my ECU out, so I can start doing all the wiring. I'm just gonna end up tapping into one of those wires over there. I believe it's called ELD wire. That's for the air fuel ratio. And I should be set to go with the with my inspection, hopefully. All right, guys. So right now we're trying to take off the primary O2 sensor. Fish the wire through. I'm trying to hurry up and bring out a light here. Ran it through the back of the dash, down through here, and out through the little grommet to go to the O2 sensor. So now I just gotta wire up the power, ground. Alright guys, so now we gotta find a fuse that turns on with the ignition. I have a tester here. So what we're gonna do is, let's just check real quick, see how this one is. This one turns on and I had the ignition off. We're probably gonna end up going with this one right here. I believe this one, see what I turn the ignition on, I believe it's for the alternator. So that's the one we're gonna go with. And also AEM recommends you go with a 10 volt, so that's why I'm going with this one right here. Alright, so I connected my power to the 10 amp fuse. My ground is down there. I already put the ELD in there and took the ECU away. And wow. It's looking great. I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'll find out if it's reading accurately. Now pretty much I'm just checking to make sure that they are, you know, synced. And they seem to be looking pretty good. So far it seems to be reading pretty fine. There's times I'll go blank, and the reason it's going blank is because it's reading over 17 and the gauge only goes up to 17. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. Alright guys, until next time, I appreciate you guys all for watching and you know, being here for this long. And since you guys stuck around for this long, let's do a poll.